We are snowed in. Just came across the intercoms. We are not to leave. Steel Horse has been grounded. Grounded, I tell you. Might have to actually eat something that's not bison. Oh well. At least we're safe. We're parked. Well, they plowed the drift out in front of my truck. I should be able to get through that one. As long as that doesn't get too big. Nice. But yeah, I just came across the intercom. North Dakota DOT called this truck stop here in Beach, North Dakota here. We are not to leave. They no longer want us to even trek to Dickinson. Dickinson is full. We'll just sit right here. Ride it out. Woohoo! All right, guys, on that, and yes, we went and got ourselves a shower. Figure what the heck, might as well get something done, right? Hot coffee. All right, guys, I'll get back to you. This is gonna be a weird video. I don't know if I'm even gonna do this. All right, guys, on that, as always, God bless. Love you guys. Steel Horse is safe in the blizzard. This part of North Dakota came across my phone as we're now under blizzard conditions. Yep. Unbelievable. And that's a drift right there. You can't really tell, but it's straight across from the top of my hubs. So that should give you an idea how deep it is. All right, guys, as always, Lord willing, I'll catch you a little bit later. We're gonna just have some fun in the North Snow. Welcome to Ice Roads. Well, everybody, we're gonna roll it up. Not a lot of footage. Just Steel Horse is still stuck in her stable right here in Beach. But what we've done, we bought a 5-gallon can. It's empty. So that way, if I need to, yeah, that ought to be fun. That almost looks like it's pinched off right there. Yeah. It is basically closed. The interstate's just basically closed. Yeah, the interstate's essentially closed. So, and to save my buffalo for tomorrow, I know it's bad, but out of all the bad stuff that's at this truck stop, I bought me a pizza. So I'm gonna have pizza, save the buffalo, because I don't know if I'm gonna get out of here until like noon tomorrow. Even if I've been hearing 6 a.m., then I've been hearing noon, however long it takes them to get the highways open. Steel Horse isn't going to be able to maintain 72 miles an hour, not in this crud. That's also why I bought the 5-gallon can, so that way I I can walk right over to the fuel right there, and I don't have to. And if I don't do the big guys here, I can go over to the cars right over there and use a smaller nozzle. Not that I want to walk that far with 5 gallons of fuel, because I think it weighs like 9 pounds per gallon, something like that, depending on altitude, temperature, blah blah blah. Diesel is one of those that fluctuates, I believe it is, or it could be gasoline. I'm not sure. One of them will fluctuate for altitudes plus temperature, all that kind of stuff. So nonetheless, it's like 45 pounds, and not that that's hard for me, but I think I'd rather do it for closer, just because of all that uneven ground and slipperiness. And so that way I got 5 gallons I can put in keep my heated trailer running. So yeah, that way think ahead, plan ahead. So all right guys, well, we're gonna roll it up as the blizzard continues. We've been upgraded to a blizzard, so yeah, so they're stocked in, and people still want to go to Dickerson, which is only 60 more miles up the highway, and go sit at, I have no clue, some grocery store parking lot that's closed, might not be plowed to even be able to get in there. At least here you got something, you got a shower, bathrooms, walk in and chew the fat with another driver or two, or something, or just bathroom. It's just better. So all right guys, well, we've gabbed enough. Hopefully everybody's staying warm where you're at. Thanks for coming along. Subscribe if you haven't. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs up or something. Interact with the video or the vlog one way or the other. That's what sets the algorithms out. Help the channel grow if you even like this type of material. So as my buddy Paul would say, I'm not putting ketchup on my pizza. There's ketchup, but it's different kind. Just cover it in ketchup. You'll get rid of it. That was funny. That was way cool, Paul. All right, guys. I love you guys. Be safe out there. And we'll get back to you tomorrow. We'll see how this thing turns out. All right, guys. On that, Lord willing, I'll see y'all tomorrow.